Raindrops, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot pot, fucking on your bitch, yeah. End up up in the crock pot.
What is up? This is EGN again, but today we're not just showing you the fidget spinners. We are showing you the best tricks. So let's start with the first one. It's called the double take. The Obi-Wan Kenobi. The next one, place fidget spinner on an object. Is another version of the double take. Next one is the double spin. Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video on the best tricks for fidget spinners. If you like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe to my account. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace!